To copy a Matter and Interactions computational lab, Ruth Shabai will make you an associate for her course. After that, you will see the course listed under My Courses with the word Associate after the course. Click on the name of the course. Now you have read access and copy access to Ruth's original course. Go to the course menu and choose Make a Copy of this course. After this, you have copied her course along with all of its associated trinkets, and they are now in your library to edit. The name is Copy of M&I Computational Lab and will say by your name. Go back to Course and choose Edit Course Details, and now you can change the name of her course. The course is shown as private. Maintain this access role for the course. It's very important that the course be kept private, only available to you and your students. Choose Update. Now you can add users to your course. Click Users and click Add Users. Generally, it's easiest to share the access code with your class. Click Generate New Access Code, and you now have a URL that you can post to an LMS or perhaps email to your class.